Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. In the today's class, I am explaining the second order derivative examples in 5.7 from NCERT. So second order derivative, already we are familiar. Whenever the first order derivative exists, we are differentiating that answer once again. If it is a variable is x, means with respect to x. That second time differentiation is called second order derivative. And you are familiar how to denote the second order derivative. In the first one solution, the first answer, let us take this as a y. Y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now, differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 3x is 3 and differentiation of 2 is 0. So differentiate this answer once again. Again differentiating with respect to x. This will be written as d square y upon dx square is equal to differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of 3 will be 0. So this is the final answer. Moving to the second question, y is equal to x raised to 20. It is in the form of x raised to n. Differentiating with respect to x. See, I am explaining very slowly. dy upon dx is 20 into x raised to 20 minus 1. It is 20 into x raised to 19. So differentiate this answer again with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to x. The left side will be written as d square y upon dx square 20 as it is 19 into x raised to 19 minus 1 18 and multiply this 19 2s are, that is 38 and 0 380 x raised to 18. Moving to the third question. If you are thorough in basic differentiation, then the second order derivative will be very simple. Only thing we have tricks in CT. Third one, y is equal to x cos x. This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to x into differentiation of cos x plus cos x into differentiation of x with respect to x. Keep x as it is. Differentiation of cos is minus sin x plus cos x as it is. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So this is dy upon dx. Differentiate this answer once again. Again differentiating with respect to x. This is u, this is v. d square y upon dx square is minus x into differentiation of sin x plus this is u, this is v. Sin x as it is. Differentiation of minus x plus differentiation of cos x. See, minus x as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x as it is. Differentiation of minus x is minus 1. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So it is minus x cos x plus into minus is minus sin x and this is minus sin x. It will be minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. See, x cos x. This is u into v. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Differentiation of x is 1. Like this we have to differentiate. Moving to the next question, that is the fourth one. y is equal to log x. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Again differentiating with respect to x. d square y upon dx square. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Fifth one. Y is equal to x cube into log x. See, this is u, this is v. See, differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Now, what is the first method? First, we have to apply u into v method. dy upon dx is equal to x cube as this. Now I will write directly. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. 1x is cancelled with this. X square plus 3x square into log x. When you are differentiating again, this separate. Here this is u, this is v. See, again differentiating with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to x. How you will write? d square y upon dx square is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x plus 3x square as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Directly, shall I write directly? Because already you are familiar. Plus log x as it is. Differentiation of 3x square is 6x. 1x is cancelled with this. 2x plus 3x plus 6x into log x. We can add only these two. 5x plus 6x into log x. This is the answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 6. See, y is equal to e raised to x into sine 5x. This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x as it is. First I will write the steps. Differentiation of sine 5x plus sine 5x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x. E raised to x as it is. Differentiation of sine 5x is cos 5x into differentiation of 5x plus sine 5x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. It is e raised to x into cos 5x. Differentiation of 5x is 5 plus sine 5x into e raised to x. I took e raised to x common in the bracket. 5 cos 5x plus sine 5x. Again this is u, this is v. So again we have to differentiate. Again differentiating with respect to x. d square y upon dx square is equal to e raised to x differentiation of 5 cos 5x plus sine 5x plus 5 cos 5x as it is plus sine 5x as it is into differentiation of e raised to x. The term before differentiation as it is in the bracket. 5 as it is, differentiation of cos is minus sin 5x into differentiation of 5x is 5. That step I will write directly. Plus sin 5x is cos 5x into differentiation of 5x is 5. This is before differentiation, keep as it is. 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. Take e raised to x common in the bracket. Minus 25 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. See, these two terms are like them, and here these two are like. E raised to x minus 25 sin 5x plus sin 5x is minus 24 sin 5x plus 10 cos 5x. This is the answer. Moving to the next question, that is question number 7. This is also similar to previous. Seventh one, y is equal to e raised to e raised to 6x into, make it 6, into cos 3x. So first we have to apply u into v. This is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to, now I will write the answer steps directly. E raised to 6x as it is, differentiation of cos 6x is minus sin 3x into 3 plus cos 3x as it is, differentiation of e raised to 6x is e raised to 6x into 6. Here I took e raised to 6x common in the bracket. Minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x. This is u, this is v. Now differentiating with respect to x. Again differentiating with respect to x. D square y upon dx square, u into v. E raised to 6x as it is in the bracket. Differentiating this, minus 3 as it is. Differentiation of sin 3x is cos 3x into 3 plus 6 as it is. Differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into 3. Bracket complete, plus this bracket as it is. Minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x into differentiation of e raised to 6x is e raised to 6x into 6. Take e raised to 6x common in the bracket. It is minus 9 cos 3x. It is minus 18 sin 3x. And remember, outside 6 is there. It is multiplied with these two. Minus 18 sin 3x plus 36 cos 3x. See, these are like terms and these are the like terms. E raised to 6x minus 9 plus 36. That is 27 cos 3x. Minus 18 minus 36 sin 3x. If you want, you can take 9 outside. Otherwise, keep as this. This is the final answer. Because the calculation is left with the students. taking common everything at last. Moving to the next question, that is question number 8. Y is equal to tan inverse x. First differentiation. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. For second derivative, you can apply u by v method, or there is no x in the numerator. That's why it will be written like this. Now, again differentiating with respect to x. D square y upon dx square is equal to minus 1 plus x square raised to minus 1 into differentiation of 1 plus x square. It is minus 1 plus x square raised to minus 2. Differentiation of 1 plus x square is 2x, or minus 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. Moving to the next question, that is question number 9. Y is equal to log of log x. First derivative is what? Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx. Differentiation of log x is 1 by log x into differentiation of log x. That is 1 by log x into 1 by x. So it is 1 by x into log x. In the numerator we don't have x. That's why I am writing the first derivative as x log x raised to minus 1. Now again differentiating with respect to x. So first power, dy upon dx is equal to minus 1 x log x raised to minus 1 because x raised to n form. Differentiation of x log x. This will be minus x log x raised to minus 2. Next bracket is u into v. This is u, this is v. X as it is, differentiation of log x plus log x, differentiation of x is 1. This is minus 1 upon x log x whole square in the bracket 1 plus log x, or you can write minus 1 plus log x upon x log x whole square. So these are the up to 9, they are the examples from exercise 5.7. Last one is a worked example. In this video I explain only this example. In the next video I will explain 5 mark examples from NCERT. See, 10th one is worked example. This is a worked example in NCERT. Y is equal to x cube plus tan x. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Because it is a second derivative, again differentiating with respect to x. D square y upon dx square is equal to differentiation of 3x square is 6x plus differentiation of secant square, first power 2 into secant x into differentiation of secant x. This is 6x plus 2 into secant x, differentiation of sec is sec into tan. This is 6x plus 2 into secant square x into tan x. See, this is the final answer. In the next class, I will explain the 5 mark examples in second order derivative.